How to use keyboard shortcuts in Audiate. First of all, open Audiate and familiarize yourself with some of the most useful keyboard shortcuts. Knowing these will greatly speed up your editing workflow. Next, let's start with basic navigation. Use the spacebar to play and pause your audio. Press the left and right arrow keys to move the playhead backward or forward by small increments, allowing you to pinpoint specific movements in your recording. For editing, use Ctrl+X to cut selected text or audio, Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+P to paste. These shortcuts are essential for rearranging section of your audio. To quickly delete section, highlight the text or audio you want to remove and press the delete key. To undo actions, use Ctrl+Z, and to redo, use Ctrl+Shift+Z. To save your project, press Ctrl+S. Regularly saving your work ensures you don't lose any progress. You can also look up more shortcuts by clicking on the top menu options such as File, Edit, and View to see the available commands along with their keyboard shortcuts. And that's it. Now you know how to use keyboard shortcuts in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.